स्पेक्टेकुलर रेस देखने के लिए मार्शल आर्मी और सबसे आगे देखिए महाराष्ट्र की खिलाड़ी और ये देखिए
First gold medal of women alike goes to Ganga Dandin of Karnataka with the timing of 2:33:24.6 hours. Medal will be presented by Dr. Durga Datta. Many congratulations to Ganga for winning this championship jersey along with gold medal. Remember